everyone, welcome back. Today I would just like to give you a few tips to help you in maintaining your air conditioning or heating system. The first is planning ahead. It is important to make sure that you're keeping an eye out for the seasons to come. Let the arrival of the springtime be a friendly reminder that the year's hottest months are just around the corner and that you must prepare your system adequately to endure the harsh months to come. Also, take advantage of the fall months to service your heating system so that when it comes to those frigid winter nights, your system will run strong and sure. The next would be the set point. When it comes to controlling the temperature in your home, you are the thermostat. You, the homeowner, must know to set the temperature in your home to whatever is the most comfortable for you and your family. Lastly, servicing and access. When a trained professional is set to visit your home or business, it is strongly advised that you keep the area around the unit clean and clear of any items that may have been put away. The service tech will always work better and bring forth the best results when the environment he's working in is clear of any objects. If you have any questions or would like more tips, please feel free to give us a call or send us an email at this address below. Thank you so much.